Want to catch the next Memecoin craze before it goes parabolic? First, head over to Photon. Linking your wallet is optional, but it will give you access to exclusive features. You'll find a real-time overview of trending tokens across various blockchains. Pay close attention to the volume change and price movement columns. Look for coins exhibiting a significant surge in volume coupled with a positive, but not yet astronomical, price increase. This indicates growing interest without being completely pumped. Next, explore the new pairs section. This is where freshly launched Memecoins appear. Remember, these are highly risky, so proceed with extreme caution. Dive into the token's chart and information. Look for increasing buy pressure and growing liquidity, but beware of honeypots or rug pull scams. Be sure to check the contract address on a blockchain explorer. Use Photon's social media integration to gauge community sentiment. A strong, active community can fuel Memecoin's growth. Remember, Memecoin trading is highly speculative. Always do your own research, manage your risk, and never invest more than you can afford to lose.